How to cancel Spotify Premium. I'm going to tell you how to cancel your Spotify Premium subscription. First, important note, you cannot cancel Spotify Premium from the mobile app, so you'll need to use a web browser on your computer or on your phone. Open your web browser and go to spotify.com, log into your account, and then tap on your profile icon in the top right and select Account. Now go down until you see the Your Plan section. Click on Change Plan and scroll down again until you find Cancel Premium. Click Cancel Premium and Spotify will ask if you're sure. Confirm your cancellation and you're done. Your premium subscription will stay active until the end of your billing cycle, and after that, your account will switch to free version, which means that you will be seeing ads and no offline listening.